Felly, beth sy'n digwydd bawb? So what's happening, folks? Croeso nôl am fwy. Welcome back for more. Rhybudd melyn am rew I rannau helaeth o Gymru. A yellow warning for ice for large parts of Wales. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 200 ac 11. Series 4 and episode number 216. Dydd Sul, Sunday. Hello everyone. Pawb has become bawb, vocative use. Am fwy, mwy has become fwy, self-mutation after key preposition. Am ara tan drosdwy gan heb hyd yn I o wrth. Rhybudd melyn am rew. So, self-mutation, rew, ice, RHEW to REW, self-mutation. I rannau, same again, self-mutation after a key preposition. RH to R. Gymru, C to a G, after a key preposition, again, self-mutation. And cyfres 4 a phenod, where conjunction a means and causes 3 letters to mutate, P, T and C, letters that make up pat the cat, part the car. Part the car is the best one. And then we've got gant, the number 2, whether feminine or masculine, causes self-mutation, cant to gant, C to a G. Bymtheg, bymtheg has become bymtheg after the key preposition R. And that's it. Today's lesson theme is Sunday, as it's Sunday. Seal means Sunday, but Dydd Sul means Sunday as well, and that's what you'd say if you meant the daytime. Nos Sul is Sunday night. If you wanted Sunday morning, you still say body Dydd Sul, I think. Okay. Cinio Dydd Sul, Sunday lunch, Sunday dinner. Sabbath, the Sabbath. Penwythnos, weekend. Dillad Dydd Sul, Sunday clothes or Sunday best. Ymlacio, we've had it before, of course. Relax. Capel, chapel. Eglwys, church. Ysgol Sul, Sunday school. Ysgolion Sul, Sunday schools. And we could have capelli, chapels, capelli, capellydd, all the words, capelloedd, different words for chapels. Eglwys can be eglwysi and eglwysydd. Different plurals, always listed. Siliau is the plural of seal. Suliau. What we got else? Dydd Sul, peace. Peace. Never ever, the 12th of never, cold day in hell, literally, the Peas Sunday. Don't know what that's all about. But yeah, it's like a never time. And tan Dydd Sul, peas, means like literally until the Peas Sunday, means it's not going to happen when pigs fly. Never in a month of Sundays, them sort of phrases. Dros y Sul, weekends. Weekends. Sul y Blodau, Palm Sunday. Sul Gwyn, Whitsun, or Pentecost. A Sul Gwyn, Whitsun or Pentecost, and you can have Sul Gwyn all one word as well. Sul y Pasg.
Sul y Pasg. Sul y Pasg.
Easter Sunday. Sul y Mamau. I was just checking to see if there's a long A on this South pronunciation, but I'm not sure if there is on the Pasg. Sul y Mamau. Mothering Sunday, Mother's Day. Sul Penmis, Communion Sunday. Sul y Drindod, Trinity Sunday. Usual games. I'm going to put a link on here somewhere as well. I've posted it out on the X and Instagram and YouTube as a post. But I've made another page today. It's not even in the menu yet. But I've made a page today, and it's quite a good way you get 12 random words and phrases and all games to go with them. And then you can pick what words you want as well. So it just dynamically changes all the refreshes and uses all the words that you've picked. Good, eh? Have a look. It means you can make little links and pass them on to people. So if you know someone's learning the days of the week, you could put it together, just click the ones you want and send it to someone as a link. So yeah, whatever. Send some links to the website if you can. And if you've not subscribed, come on. About time you did, innit? If you've been listening, I don't normally pester, so I need some extra subscriptions by the end of this week. Okay. Well, end of today, Sunday. That's what the episode's called. Yeah, and more games there. And what else have we got? I've got the story so far. Rydw i wedi bod yn brysur iawn yn ddiweddar. Mouse move. Rydw i'n gwneud rhywbeth cymdeithasol nawr, bron bob dydd. I am doing something sociable now nearly every day. Rydw i wedi ymuno â chwrs Cymraeg uwch. I have joined an advanced Welsh course. Rydw i'n darllen llawer yn y Gymraeg, 8 llyfr gwahanol ar hyn o bryd. I am reading lots in Welsh, 8 different books at present. Ni all fy ngariad gredu fy mod i'n gwneud cymaint. My girlfriend cannot believe that I am doing so much. Ychydig flynyddoedd yn ôl, ni fyddwn ni hyd yn oed yn mynd ar gyfrifiadur. A few years ago, I would not even go on a computer. Mae dysgu byw fy mywyd eto trwy'r Gymraeg wedi bod yn llwyddiant. Learning to live my life again through Welsh has been a success. Gorffennais 2 lyfr yr wythnos diwethaf yn y Gymraeg. I finished 2 books last week in Welsh. Yr wythnos hon rydw i 2 ran o 2 o'r ffordd drwy lyfr Gymraeg sydd ddim wedi anelu at ddysgwyr. This week I'm 2/3 way through a Welsh book not aimed at learners. Pryn ydw i'n defnyddio geiriadur ac yn darllen ar bron yr un cyflymder ag y byddwn ni yn Saesneg. I am barely using a dictionary and reading at almost the same speed I would in Welsh. Dydw i ddim yn ei gyfieithu'n reithredol i'r Saesneg, dim ond geiriau eraill rwy'n ei hadnabod yn ydyn nhw. I am not actively translating it to English, they are just other words I know. And I think about a jump on today. So today's is about 7 more you had to do there. Gai ofyn I bawb, wrong one. Rwy'n mwynhau'r sgwrsiau a'r gwasanaethau yn y Gymraeg yn y capel. I am enjoying the conversations and services in Welsh at chapel. Rydw i wedi dylunio tudalen heddiw lle mae'r holl gemau'n defnyddio'r geiriau rydych chi ei dewis. I have designed a page today where all the games use the words you choose. Dim ond cwpl o dudalennau ydw i o orffen fy llyfr cynta yn y Gymraeg nad yw ar gyfer dysgwyr. I am only a couple of pages from finishing my book in Welsh that is not for learners. Gai ofyn I bawb sy'n darllen hwn, rannu dolen I'm gwefan. Can I ask everyone reading this to share a link to my website? So, what we got there? Sgwrsiau. Chats, conversations and so forth, plural. I think I've run out of time. There's not many to go through. Have fun. Bye-bye.